northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 3 p.m. At 2:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Homer Glen, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Hammond, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, South Shore, Roseland, Burbank, Lansing, Oak Forest, Harvey, Homer Glen, Blue Island, Munster, Dalton, and Park Forest, including the following interstates. Interstate 57 between mile markers 330 and 358. Interstate 80 between mile markers 144 and 155. Interstate 90 between mile markers 101 and 107. Interstate 94 between mile markers 57 and 74. Interstate 294 between mile markers 57 and 74. Interstate 355 near mile marker 8. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 2. This includes University of Chicago, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Hollywood Casino Amphitheater, Governors State University, Moraine Valley Community College, Prairie State College, South Suburban College, Will County Fairgrounds, and Museum of Science and Industry. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Porter County in northwestern Indiana until 3 p.m. At 2:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Gary to near Hobart to near Lake Dalecarlia, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Portage, Valparaiso, Chesterton, Hebron, Lakes of the Four Seasons, South Haven, Porter, Burns Harbor, Ogden Dunes, Town of Pines, Beverly Shores, Wheeler, Dune Acres, Boone Grove, and Malden, including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 80 near mile marker 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 22 and 37. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 17 and 32. This includes Valparaiso University, Indiana Dunes State Park, and Porter County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a